Friends, let's start with Capsule 11, Allocation, Apportionment and Reapportionment. When you do the chapter overheads, you'll come across sums where you are given list of overheads. Now that list of overheads is to be divided between the departments. There are production department and how to distribute the overheads. And that is where allocation, apportionment and reapportionment comes. Some overheads are given department wise, like many a times direct expenses given, specifically that this much amount is for this department. So for that, we have to do nothing. Whatever specific overheads are given for the concerned department, we as it is, and that is called allocation. Read what I've written. Allocation means charging specific overheads to. Okay. Then there are certain overheads whose specific amount department wise is not given. So in that case, we have to how do I distribute? So we have to select a suitable ratio for distribution. Now, what will be that ratio, friends? For overheads like rent, we can use floor area. For overheads like depreciation, capital value of the machine. So for every overhead, we need to select a suitable ratio and divide the overheads. And this is called apportionment. Read what I've written. Apportionment means charging general overheads various departments using. Now all the overheads are either allocated or apportioned, and your list becomes zero, and now you get department wise over. This is called primary distribution technique, where first time distribution overheads is done. Now, after doing allocation and apportionment, we get department wise overheads, that is, we get overheads of production department and service department. Now, these service department they exist to help the production department. Their cost is incurred to help the production department. That is why the cost of service department is charged to production. Okay, and that is called reapportionment. Reapportionment means charging overheads of service department to production department, and how we will charge based on percentage service pro. That will be given in the question. You have to don't have to worry about it. So using that percentage, you divide service department overheads to production department. And while you do reapportionment, friends, you will come across these. The first case is where service department gives service to production department only. This ever where service department cost will be charged to production department only. There might be a case where service department give overheads to production department and other services. Again, that is a simple case. Percentage will have to apportion between production and other services. The third case is a complicated case. Service department gives service to production department, it gives service to other service department, and also takes back the service. It gives the service to other service department and takes back the service from them. This is a complicated case. Solve this case, friends. You have three. The first method is direct method, second method, third is reciprocal. And to solve this reciprocal method, you have three techniques: repeated simultaneous equation, trial and error. These methods will help you to do reapportionment overheads of service department to. If you want to understand this numerical way, friends, you must watch my RTP video for me, wherein all these are discussed. Okay, who watch it get clarity in how to work. This was all about capsule allocation, apportionment, and reapportionment. Allocation, apportionment, the primary technique is reapportionment called secondary second time distribution.